Hey all, and welcome to another video. If you're like me and you want a wireless charger that can be used in both laying and standing position, then the one I got here today may be a good choice for you. This is a Baseus wireless charger, and there are a few reasons why I chose exactly this one. First, because it can be used laying down, like a charging plate, or standing up as a phone stand. Second, because it can charge in both horizontal and vertical position on the pad itself. Third, because it supports fast charging. And the last reason is that it only costs $16 including shipping. So let's open it and see what we got. It is well packed and the presentation is good. Here's a contact card in case there's any problem with the product. Let's hope we don't need to use it. Here's the user manual in both Chinese and English. Even though the charger is very easy to set up and use, please read the manual anyway. It has some nice tips and information about how to use it. Click pause now if you want to read it. Here's also a warranty card and a USB Type-C cable. There's no adapter included, so you must use your own. And it should be a 5V 2A or a 9V 1.5A adapter. Here's the charger itself. It looks nice with the black finish and the materials also feel good. Its output is max 10W. In the top corner is a LED indicator. This will show you when it's charging or not charging. The charger is covered with a soft material, so it's nice to touch, as it's not very slippery. On the side is the USB Type-C connector, and on the bottom is the leg and an air vent for cooling. The leg is magnetic, but it's a bit hard to get out of its holder. It's probably easier if you have something to stick under here, or if you have longer nails to use. Just insert a leg here, like this, and it's ready. The white pad you see here is rubber, so your phone will rest on something soft. I use my original Samsung charger because it supports fast charging. Let's place the phone in the holder and see if it reacts. When the phone is placed in the charger, it will automatically start charging. Yep, it works just fine. I don't know if you can see this, so let's bring it a bit closer. As you see here, the fast charging works just fine. If you need the possibility to charge in horizontal position, it can do that too. This is probably good if you want to watch some video or something while it's charging. Let's remove the leg and see how it looks laying down flat. Under the charger is 4 rubberized legs to make sure it doesn't move on the table. As you can see, charging works just fine. This is a Samsung S8 Plus, so you can see it's a bit bigger than the charger itself, but that's no problem. In the corner, we have the LED indicator, and it will light up blue when it's charging. If you disconnect, it will turn off. In my opinion, this is a very nice little product for only $16. It supports fast charging up till 10W, and it can charge laying and standing, and both vertically and horizontally. It's also quite compact, and the magnetic leg will make sure you don't lose it if you take the charger with you. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, comment and like.